Welcome to the Finance Data Corner, a project of the Center for Financial Accountability. The Finance Data Corner focuses on divulging project-specific financial details of various projects that are being developed within the country. These financial details include sources from where funds have been arranged, the financial institutions that have lent to these projects, and the amount that they have lent. The projects that have been covered belong to four key areas of our work, which are the coal-fired thermal power plants, the solar plants, smart cities, and the national infrastructure pipeline. This video will provide you with a tutorial on how to use the Finance Data Corner and access information that you may be interested in. So please continue watching. Welcome to the tutorial. Currently, the Finance Data Corner contains four datasets: the thermal projects, the solar projects, smart cities, and national infrastructure pipeline projects. The home page also provides a brief overview of the four datasets on parameters such as number of projects, whether the projects are privately or publicly owned, the commission capacity, and geographical spread. Similarly, in the financial summary, in case of thermal and solar dataset, the top three national and international lenders with the amount of loan is given. In case of smart cities and NIP, the cumulative project cost and the sources from where funds have been allocated is provided. Users are requested to click on About Database given in the navigational bar, or Methodology, Glossary, Permissions, and Disclaimer given at the bottom of the page to access information of the database, the methodology used, the glossary, permissions, and ways to contact us. Users may also visit our social media handles using the links provided at the bottom of the page. The Finance Data Corner contains project-specific information and is facilitated with a geographic information system, which allows users to view projects on a map. To avail this feature, users may click on Map or Brief Stats. Once the user clicks on Map, the map of India will open with all the projects marked on it. Users may choose to zoom into a certain state or even town to look at the projects located in or around it. It is important to note that each data set is unique in terms of the parameters covered and the last time it was updated, and therefore users are requested to click on Introduction to the datasets to know of this information. To view project-specific information, users may click on a particular project on the map or alternatively search for the project in the search bar given. The project-specific information for each dataset is also unique, and therefore, one can also choose a certain dataset to be viewed at one point in time. For instance, once we select the thermal power plants filter, only the coal thermal power plants will be visible on the map. Users can click on one of the projects and they will be able to view project-specific information such as owner, commissioning year, commissioning capacity and total funds, and the debt that the plant has received. Similarly, users can click on State Bank Details to view in chart form all the projects and the amount of loans that they have received. This information can be filtered according to state and according to bank. Similarly, users can choose another dataset such as solar. Once you click on a certain project, it will provide you information such as number of owners, total capacity, commissioning date and total funds, its debt and equity. Users may also click on State Bank Details to view the projects in a chart which shows the debt and the equity accruing to a particular plant. This information can also be filtered according to state and bank. In the case of NIP, to view the project-specific information, once you click on a project, it will show you project particulars such as the sector in which the project is, the project cost, the type of PPP used, the project status, and the project end year. Similarly, users can view the fund allocated to the project from different sources. Users may also click Financial Overview, which shows the sources of funds that have allocated, and this can be filtered according to state and sector. And finally, for smart cities, again a person can click on project specific information by clicking it on the map, and it will show you city particulars such as the state in which the smart city is located in, the number of project tenders, the total funds, and progress in terms of project completion and fund utilization rate. Users can also click on mission progress to see the proposed source of funds, the number of projects tendered, the number of projects completed, the funds released by the center and state, and the funds utilized. This information can also be filtered according to state. We hope that this information is of help to you.